How to cancel recurring Zelle payment on Chase. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's get started. First, open Chase mobile app or visit Chase website as chase.com. Now you can tap sign in button or open an account using your credentials. After that, in the menu look for pay and transfer and tap on it. Then select Zelle to view your Zelle payment settings. Now you have to locate the recurring payment and cancel the payment by selecting recurring payment you want to cancel. Tap cancel payment and confirm your decision. Now you have to verify the cancellations. You should receive a confirmation message. Double check the payment no longer appear under the schedule payment section. And then you will easily cancel the GL payments on Chase. That's it. I hope this guide worked. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.